Hello, in this video, I will show you how to export a PPT file from GenSpark. First, open your browser. Then here, you can enter genspark.ai. And after you do this, you can go where it says AI slides. Here is where you can enter your prompt of the specific presentation PowerPoint that you like. After you've entered the prompt, then you can go here. I'll give this as an example, as the interior home design presentation. Here you can view the slides. And after you view the slides and then you're happy with them, then you would like to export them. You can go where it says export. Here, this is where you can select the file PPT, but it's grayed out for the moment because you have to have a premium plan for you to export it. So for you to export it, you need to get a premium plan. And after you do that, you'll be able to export the PPTX file. And you're done.